They have another witness lined up.
Yes, Your Honor. The state would call Wynn Hill.
Thank you.
That or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Hill, now that you've been placed under oath, let me just ask you a few questions before you testify. Because this case is being broadcast and available for public view, I want to ask if you have viewed or listened in on any of the testimony in the trial up to this point.
I have not.
Okay, have you discussed with anyone else their testimony they provided?
Nope.
All right, thank you. Ms. Beatty, you can inquire.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sir, could you please state your full name and then spell your last name?
Yeah. My name is Wynn Hill, Hill,
And sir, where are you employed?
at Brigham Young University-Idaho,
And where is that located?
Rexburg, Idaho.
How long have you been employed by Brigham Young University-Idaho?
Yeah, I've been there 18 years.
What is your current job title there?
I'm a therapist in the counseling center.
And prior to being a therapist in the counseling center, did you have a different job title?
I did. I was the dean of students there.
Were you the dean of students in 2019 and early 2020?
I was.
And in February, well, let me back up a little bit. As dean of students, did you have access to a student file management system?
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we have a student management system. Yes.
Does that system allow you to look at it to determine who is currently enrolled?
Yes.
Does that system allow you to look at who may have been enrolled in the past?
Yes.
Does it allow you to look at who may have applied to the school and not necessarily enrolled?
Yeah. Anyone who starts an application. Yes.
Were you contacted by law enforcement in February of 2020 to do a records check on an individual named Tylee Ryan?
I was. Yes.
Did you check that individual in the student file management system?
I did. Yeah. They asked me to check the name Tylee Ryan, Tylee Vallow, and Tylee Cox, date of birth 9/24/02. And I did check that. Yes.
Were you able to determine if this individual was a current student?
Yes, they weren't. In fact, we had no record of any of those names.
Did you have any record that this individual had ever even applied to
No.
BYU-Idaho?
Nothing.
If I may have just a moment, Your Honor.
Yes.
And Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
All right, thank you, Ms. Beatty. Mr. Pryor, cross-examination.
No notebook, so it's going to be short. Did you ever have an occasion to talk to Lori Vallow on the phone?
No.
Did you ever discuss an application with anybody? Alex Cox, Lori Vallow?
Nope.
Did you ever discuss an application, or did anybody in your organization discuss an application with a Tylee Ryan?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay, and obviously you'd never heard the name Chad Daybell in relation to any application process for Tylee Ryan, is that right?
That's correct.
Okay, nothing else, thank you.
Any redirect?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, either side intend to recall the witness?
No, Judge,
No,
no.
Your Honor.
Okay, that'll conclude your testimony then. Thank you for appearing. You're released from any subpoena and you can go ahead and step down from the witness stand.
Your Honor, may we approach?
Yes.